Hi, kindergartners. Let's talk math. Today we are in lesson 3. And lesson 3 is a strategy. We're going to learn a strategy for problem solving. And the strategy is make a table. But it's not a table like the kind that you eat breakfast at. It's a different kind of table. It's a math table. So watch, and you're going to get to try it out yourself today. Okay, so here, let's look. All right. Now, first off, we've got some teddy bear counters. We have some red counters and some yellow counters. Now, let's look at the question. In green, it says, what numbers make 15? What numbers make 15? All right, so we're going to count how many bears, and we're going to say the number. So first, let's count the bears all together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 bears. Now we're going to count how many of those bears are red. So let's count the red bears together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 red bears. So underneath the red bear here in the table, you're going to trace the number 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now we're going to count how many yellow bears. And then we're going to do the same thing. So let's count the yellow bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 yellow bears. So we'll trace the number 5 down, around, give it a hat. Okay, so now in our table, we saw that there are 10 red bears and 5 yellow bears. And remember what our total was? 15 bears. So 10 and 5 make 15. All right, let's go on to a new one. We're going to practice the strategy. So we're going to do what we did with the teddy bear counters, but this time we're going to use some counting squares. What numbers make 14? All right, so this time they're asking us about the number 14 here, 14. So let's count first. Let's count up the blue, because in the table, the blue squares come first. So let's count up the blue squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 of them. Now, if you need to, you can also put like a mark over these as you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That way you can make sure that you don't count them more than once. 10. And then how many green squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what numbers make 14? 10 and 4 make 14. Now you're going to practice the strategy. You're going to practice and apply the strategy on this page. So you know what to do. Remember the first thing we do. Let's look down at the table. In the first column of the table, there's a purple game counter. Purple game counter. So we're going to count the purple counters first. So remember, you can put a line over it to keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 purple counters. 1, 0. Now, how many orange counters are there? 1, 2. There are 2. So remember, the question is, what numbers make 12? Well, 10 and 2 make 12. So when you work on this page after the video, that's what you are going to do. You're going to count them up and then put the numbers in the table. Now, when you do the homework, you're going to have the same thing. So you're going to know what to do here. You know what to do because the question is, what numbers make 12? The number up here is 12. And you are going to count the orange teddy bear counters and write the number. Count the purple teddy bear counters and write the number here. All right, that is what you will do for the homework. So pretty simple, making a table. That's something that you get to do more of, but today is just an introduction to making a table. All right, let's get going with your math packet. Bye.